back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Steph. I hope you guys are doing really great. Back to the OG place, guys. Yes, and my mom have been back to Bahrain. We returned back a week ago. So update on my mom. You guys have been asking how is she doing, and thank you so much for all your wishes you gave her. My mom is doing good right now. It's just that she has a little cyst. Because of that, her pressure increases, and that's the reason she gets headache all the time. Doctor has given her medications and has told her to take care of herself. She's taking good care of her health. But now,
Okay, I know you guys are wondering what is that mark on my teeth. Well, that's the lipstick mark which I didn't notice while I was filming and is there throughout the video. But let's just pretend it isn't there.
getting back into the video, today's video is reading your assumptions about me. I'm very late for this. I wanted to do a little sit down. Well, I'm standing right now, but anyways, I wanted to do a little talky type, like a chit chat video. So I thought, what better than doing reading your assumptions about me? And I was really excited to know what things do you guys assume. So without wasting much of a time, let's head on into the video. Before that, please don't forget to give this video a big like. Don't forget to share and subscribe. And without any further ado, let's get started. So now let's start with the assumptions. Before that, if you aren't following me on my Instagram, I'll put the link right here or it'll be in the description box to follow me, because I'm planning on doing where Instagram for controls my day. So if you want to be part of it, then don't forget to follow me. Now we have got a quite a lot of assumptions over here. Let's dig on into the first one. Starting off with an easy one, that I love traveling and I want to travel the whole world. I've got a couple of you where it's written that I love traveling. Yes, I totally agree with that. I love traveling, and if I'm given the time traveling the whole world, I would definitely take on the option of traveling the whole world. And I am a total travel freak. Like, my whole family is travel freak. We made a goal that we need to travel a new place every year, and that has been going on. And we also planned a lot of places to go this year, but because of the virus it wasn't possible. And yeah, that's true, I love traveling. So now let's move with the next assumption. I love and miss school right now. Yes, I would say I love and miss school. Why? Because it is because of the friends, and not because I want to attend the lectures and stuff. But I love and miss school only because of friends. It's fun to be in school with them. I am the most kindest and the good-hearted person. Well, thank you. You can count that on me. Yes, I am. I'm not bragging much, but yeah, I be a good and a kind-hearted person. Like, if I don't know you, I will just be by myself, like, hi, hello, how are you? That's it. But if I know you, I'm so open with that person. You can actually take that on me that I'll be the most kindest and the good-hearted person. With the next assumption, I am a very confident person but insecure about my body. Yeah, I mean, it's actually true. I be confident enough, but I am actually insecure about my body, especially my lower body. I really be so insecure about it. I've just learned that every body is beautiful in its own way, and you have to love your bodies. Like, I'm proud of it now. Even before I started my YouTube channel, my mom was like, do some dance videos and all that, and I was just like, oh no. Like, when I do sit down videos or normal videos, I only film till here and never film the low portion. You just have to remember that you are beautiful. So I got the confidence on the dancing videos, and everyone likes it, and I'm really thankful for the audience I have. Next assumption, I am an extrovert person and a very chill one. My close friends, my family members watching will know that I am such an introvert. I hope I was an extrovert, but no. I have very, very minimal friends and very minimal people whom I call like my best friends, and I take a lot of time to be really chill. So yeah, I am an introvert. Now the next assumption about me is that I am a trained dancer. Not at all. I have been dancing since I was small. Like, I remember the age of 4, I guess. I started dancing by watching videos on TV. Like, these film actors dance. I just see them and I just start dancing. So I am not a trained dancer. When the song starts, my heart just flows out, and with the beat and everything, my body starts grooving in and I just keep dancing. Well, I have actually learned jive salsa. And yeah, that's the only class I've gone to where I've learned jive. Waltz, salsa, and then I forgot that thing called cha cha cha. I guess cha cha cha. The song goes like that. I've gone to only that class. So the next assumption about me is that I have taken classes for doing makeup. And I love your videos. Okay, thank you so much first of all. And if you are following me on my Instagram, you have seen I've done a lot of makeup videos. I love doing makeup videos. Makeup is my fashion. Like if you see my makeup today, thank you if you're appreciating it. I have learned makeup all by myself. I've not gone to any classes if you think I have gone to. But thank you so much if you think like I'm like, you know, a trained makeup artist. Anyways, thank you. Okay, so the next assumption is I have a secret boyfriend which I am not revealing. I have got so many of these. Like I have a secret boyfriend, I am not revealing my boyfriend. Not at all. You wish, honey. I am not dating anyone. I don't have a boyfriend. The next assumption is I am the most least favorite kid in my family. You know what? For this, I need to call my sister. Let's see her reaction. Let's see her reaction. Hi. Okay, so I'm filming. I'm filming right now an assumptions video, and I have got this assumption where people are assuming that I am the least favorite kid in the family. What are your thoughts on it?
That's true.
You guys heard that?
That's true.
That isn't true. I mean, I'm not the least favorite. We know who's the least favorite in the family stuff. You don't have to lie in front of the camera.
I will lie. Everyone knows that you're the least favorite. You're from the sugarcane guy down in Mangalore.
You know, we're not gonna put that. Anyways, that was a very bad idea of calling her. Bye. I don't want your advice. Shut up. Bye.
We found
Shut up. Bye, love you. Bye. I hate my sister. Okay, whatever she said, we'll just leave that right aside there. Next assumption. Someone has assumed that I hate my sister. Let's call her.
Hello.
Someone has assumed that I hate my sister. What are your thoughts on that? We want to know. Miss Tavisha Fernandez, we want to know. Hello.
That you hate me.
Yeah, that I hate you. No, guys, we are sisters. We love each other.
No.
What do you mean by true? Excuse me.
That is true.
She's kidding, guys. We are sisters. We are buddies.
She keeps my clothes in a plastic.
We don't need. Please stop good about this time, please. That's not needed. Anyways, so guys, I don't hate my sister. I've never said that.
This you?
I hate
This
my
you?
sister. So I don't hate my sister. And why would you assume that? I love her. The next assumption is a very funny one. You are a very popular kid in school. You wish.
It's the fake laugh for me.
I am not a popular kid in school. Next assumption about me is that it's a very weird assumption. I am secretly getting married. I saw your story, don't lie. What? Guys, I am 16. Why would anyone assume that? Yeah, it's talking about the story. Yes, I did put a countdown of a big day, like, you know, until the marriage day, a countdown. And disclaimer, that was my cousin sister's countdown, who's gonna get married soon in December, and you guys are gonna get a lot of content. Don't worry about that. It's wedding season, baby. Well, it's not this December, it's the next December, and I'm totally super excited, and I'm not gonna get married. Now let's move to the next assumption. It's an assumption over a friend. Her name is Shaira. She wrote, "You don't like me at all." Now, talking about the past, we'll just leave it. Let's be in our present. And I don't, honey. I don't like you. It's not at all like that. It was different before, but I really like you. You are a very sweet person and a funny person. So I don't hate you, Shaina. I really like you. Let's move with our next assumption. This is one of the most, like, you can see I've got a lot of assumptions here. In that, half of my assumptions are filled with this assumption, is that you are rich, you are very rich, you're a rich kid, you have grown in a silver spoon, and you are very rich. The amount of this question, you are rich and all that stuff, and I have grown in a silver spoon. I'm back from the break. Silver spoon. I have grown in a silver spoon. Well, it's right, I've grown in a silver spoon. Well, a silver color spoon. Okay, all jokes aside, it's not at all like that. Like, I have grown in a middle class family, and my dad has worked really hard for where he's got to. He has paved all his life. He has given us each and everything we need. We are comfortable enough of affording things for ourselves. So I wouldn't say I'm from rich family or anything, but yes, I am from a very well-to-do family. And talking about silver spoon, I have always eaten in a steel spoon, so there's nothing like that called a silver spoon. Now let's move with our last assumption. I get really upset when I don't get the amount of engagement on my videos. We're gonna talk about the truth. Yes, there are some times like I get really upset. Like if I post a video, get the amount of views what I actually like per video. I have no much that subscribers, and I have like a goal for how many views should I get per video, and when it doesn't reach that, I get really disappointed. Not gonna lie, but not each day is the same. Like when I post dance videos, my views really it goes really top, and it doesn't mean that I have to post all the time dance videos, because my content is not all about that. But yes, I do get upset. I mean, who wouldn't get, because you have paid all your hard work on that and you don't get the engagement what's needed. You do get upset, and yeah, that's one thing. Yeah, pretty much that's it about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I am so happy I finally did an assumptions video. I had this plan of doing this in so long. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a big like. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. We are so close to 500 subscribers, guys. And if you hit the subscribe button, you'll get a small bell. Don't forget to hit that bell. That bell will help you notify whenever I post a new video. Don't forget to comment on the question of the day, which is what assumptions from these questions you thought about me. And yeah, that's it. And please don't forget to share this video, you guys. And always don't forget to keep smiling, and don't forget to stay safe. I love you guys so much. And just remember, you're beautiful. I love you guys, and see you next time.